Hey guys, on this video I'm going to be unboxing these two guys. So this is the Home Mini, Google Home Mini. Alright, so this one does come with a plastic on this one also. I just took off the plastic from this one already. So I'm going to be doing that with this guy. So I haven't taken out the plastic. Anyways, it comes with plastic all the way around the box. There we go. By the way, I also have the big boy Home Mini. Not the Home Mini, but the Google Home. So we'll be comparing these two guys and the Google Home, the big one. So that's the next video. For now, let's just open this up. And there we go. That's one. Let's open up the other one. Let's just go around the box so you guys see what's around the box anyways. There's not much really. I mean, there's this info, and then the front of the box. Yeah, that didn't peel off, right? Okay. Alright, so my bad. Did not peel off correctly. Maybe you can do the other way around. I doubt it. Yeah, I doubt it. Okay, so this one's gonna be stuck in here for a while. We're gonna have to get a pair of scissors to open this up. There we go. Finally, we got it to open and almost slide out and just break. Alright, so here we go. The two Google Home Minis. Just put this on the side. Here's Mini. Again, I'm kind of surprised there's like dust on it already. I mean, it's brand new, it's all sealed, so I'm just surprised. It's like the third Google product I get and there's like dust already on it. And it's brand new. So that's how small it is. It's pretty small, so you guys can see. So an iPhone compared to my hand, for example, would be like around this much. So it is technically less than an iPhone. Weighs around a little bit more, I guess. But very, very small. Very small. There's nothing to it. Yeah, there's really nothing to this thing. So basic. Okay, so that's that one. Let's look at this one. Same thing. Color-wise, I think this one looks way more sleek. Like, way more sleek. This one, I guess it depends on your house, what colors you guys have around, but this one would fit in more with the background maybe if you have white walls. Or, I mean, it really depends. But this one would stand out a lot more versus this one, as you guys can see. So, just get a close-up on these two colors so you guys can see the differences. Okay, so it's just a color difference, nothing else different about these two guys. Okay, so let's just set them apart. And then we're gonna unbox these two things. Okay, so let's get started. Might as well show you guys. Manuals, blah blah blah. Okay. So it's the Get Started guide, which by the way I will be making a video to help you guys out, get started right away. However, in my next video I'm going to be showing you how to use your iPhone to sync everything up. So here we go. Electricity. It's a pretty thing. Again, I'm going to compare this to an iPhone cable. It's pretty much the same thing. Obviously the ending is not the same, right? So you can't use your iPhone cable to power this thing on, because that's a different connection. Okay, different connection. However, the cable itself, like the width, it's about the same thing. Okay, and here's your standard Yeah, nothing fancy about it. I do like the design. And I think that's it, guys. Yep, that's it. Nothing else in there. Okay, it's the same thing for this guy. So, I mean, I'll show you guys, but it's the same thing. Got this and your power. That's it. That's it really for both. In the setup video, I'm gonna show you for both guys regardless. So that's it for this unboxing. If you guys want to see how to set these guys up and compare these two minis with the Google Home, I will be doing that video next. And yeah, so watch out for that video. It's coming up right up next. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.